we're facing a number of critical and very complex global problems today. And transdisciplinary research is a way to harness not only different types of scientific disciplines, bringing them together, but it also transcends the borders of the university and brings in other types of knowledge and expertise that can help us to understand the problems better and also help us to co-produce more efficient solutions together.
We have so many societal challenges to address, and in the question how science can then best address these questions, I would say science alone can't. So transdisciplinarity as an approach that brings together different disciplines and actors from all societal groups is very promising.
So we are living in academia in disciplinary silos. Outside academia in other organisations, people live in different kinds of silos. All of this is problematic. You need to be able to work across silos. So silos enable something, but they constrain other things. Disciplinary silos are much more constraining than is healthy. So you need the deep knowledge, but it has to engage across as well. When I was an undergraduate student and I was studying psychology, we had a whole semester of teaching on brain chemistry, and it was about psychopathy. So, you know, how are psychopaths created, and it was all about the brain chemistry of psychopathy. And then 10 minutes from the end of the last lesson, the lecturer suddenly said, of course, there's just as much information about social theories of psychopathy that some people believe that they're created, not made through brain chemistry. But you don't want to know about that, do you? And every other student in the place answered, no, we don't want to know about that. And I was appalled. I just thought, how can you cut off half the knowledge relevant to a subject?
I've always worked with industry and government and community groups, and from my view, you can't get an effective solution to any complex problem, especially not managing waste, by just having one of those perspectives. If we're going to manage our waste much more differently than we have in the future, you actually need to engage the people who are going to be impacted by that. That actually means communities. It means councils have to manage those waste streams. It also means industry, who have the potential to produce innovative solutions, technical and social solutions to complex problems. So I don't think there's any way for us to go forward in the future to change the way we do things now, radically change the way our infrastructures are built, our technologies are servicing us, unless we have multiple sort of input into solutions for these really complex problems.
In our line of work, we have to handle a number of complex issues. The climate crisis, of course, is one of them. And we see the need for all kinds of knowledge and the needs to listen over boundaries, to learn from each other.
So I think transdisciplinarity is the means of how to achieve sustainable development, basically. And by further improving this means, you will achieve sustainability, mobility, energy, biodiversity, migration, by joining forces between researchers who work on that and societal actors who are interested or concerned by this.